There's no need to search online for a Ford dealership near me in D'Iberville, Mississippi when Astro Ford is right around the corner. Test driving a new or pre-owned Ford model is an enjoyable experience with our team committed to customer satisfaction. At Astro Ford, we put you first, which is why our expert finance team seeks out the best car loan interest rates and flexible lease terms. We also offer online car buying options so you can buy or lease an SUV, sedan, or pickup truck from the comfort of your home. As your preferred Ford dealership in D'Iberville, Mississippi, Astro Ford offers the most innovative lineup of new Ford models featuring exceptional style, power, comfort, and technology. Our lineup includes high-powered Ford trucks, such as the Ford F-150 and luxury SUVs, including the Ford Explorer, Ford Escape, and full-size Ford Expedition. We are also proud to showcase an impressive collection of pre-owned vehicles at our Ford dealer. Astro Ford helps you maintain your investment too, with a state-of-the-art service center featuring senior master Ford certified technicians who enjoy helping you maximize the style and performance of your vehicle. Simply schedule service online or contact our Business Development Center to learn more about our comprehensive menu and auto repairs and our online ordering option for genuine OEM parts. Contact us today to see why we are the preferred Ford dealership in D'Iberville, Mississippi.